Hi everyone, आज हम प्यारा सा cushion cover बनाएंगे and before I start I would like to tell you how I end up getting this kit. In 2020 I was lucky enough to win this amazing kit from Alwaha bookshop for the contest they had thrown. Frankly मैंने कभी cushion cover नहीं try किया, especially using the fabric contour transfer. मैं ये product first time use कर रही हूँ and I must say it is very easy to use. All the steps have been shown at the back of the packaging, which you can refer. So I'm using newspaper here वो इसलिए ताकि जब मैं कलर करूँ तो कलर कुशन की बैक साइड पे ट्रांसफ़र ना हो. So I also received fabric metal leaf transfer. It's golden color and here is the final outcome. I think it's really fun to make your own DIY cushions for your home. So if you like this, do subscribe, like, comment and share this video. See you in next one.